Spain offers a diverse range of stunning landscapes, from the beautiful Mediterranean beaches to the rugged Pyrenees Mountains. Spain has it all. We're counting down the top 10 Spanish destinations that must be on your 2024 bucket list. Number 1. Bilbao. Bilbao, the largest city in Spain's Basque Country, is located on an estuary only 16 kilometers south of the Bay of Biscay. The city's parks and riverbanks are lush and green, thanks to its mild and wet climate. The surrounding rolling hills also boast the same fertile beauty. Bilbao gained recognition as a significant seaport and industrial city in northern Spain until the 1990s, when the Guggenheim Museum was built, transforming its architectural landscape. Since then, this city of Vizcaya has seen a surge in tourism, which has led to economic growth and the rejuvenation of its numerous hidden treasures, making it a sought-after destination. Regarded as a significant architectural masterpiece of its era, the Guggenheim Museum has been an iconic symbol of Bilbao. This expansive complex of interconnected buildings is dedicated to showcasing modern and contemporary art. One of its standout features is a monumental abstract sculpture that evokes a maritime theme, resembling ship outlines and glistening fish scales. Additional attractions in Bilbao include the 14th century Gothic Cathedral of Santiago and the Basilica de Begoña. The Alhambra, constructed in 1909 and recently renovated, is a versatile complex that includes a library, restaurants, and a rooftop swimming pool with a glass floor. Number 2. Madrid. Madrid, the bustling heart of Spain, is filled with a captivating energy that can be felt throughout its lively streets, historic squares, and world-class cultural establishments. Madrid, known for its exceptional art collections, boasts renowned institutions like the Prado Museum. History enthusiasts and art lovers alike are invited to delve into the city's rich cultural offerings. The lively neighborhoods of Malasaña and Chueca offer a glimpse into the city's contemporary charm, while the magnificent Royal Palace pays homage to Spain's royal legacy. Madrid captivates tourists with its vibrant atmosphere and abundant cultural attractions, offering a delightful journey through Spain's dynamic city. Number 3. Salamanca. Salamanca is situated on the banks of the Tormes River on Spain's northern plateau. It serves as the capital and largest city of the province with the same name. Regarded as one of the most stunning Renaissance cities in all of Europe, its historic center is brimming with architectural marvels and remarkable monuments that have stood the test of time. The city's vibrant atmosphere centers around the lively Plaza Mayor, where you'll find a variety of cafes, bars, and restaurants. The square has a captivating charm, especially after dark when the buildings are illuminated, creating a truly enchanting atmosphere. In the vicinity, there are other remarkable sights to behold, such as the new and old cathedrals, both showcasing magnificent architecture. Similar to the rest of the city, they are constructed using sandstone. Salamanca is known as La Dorada, or the Golden City, thanks to its warm hues. Salamanca has a vibrant and youthful atmosphere, thanks to its significant student population, despite being steeped in history. It is quite impressive that the University of Salamanca was established in 1218, making it one of the oldest higher education institutions in Europe. Number 4. Camino de Santiago. The Camino de Santiago, also known as the Way of St. James, is renowned as one of the most well-known pilgrimages across the globe. The extensive network of pilgrim paths spans northern Spain, France, and Portugal, ultimately converging at the majestic Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela. It is widely accepted that the apostles' remains are interred in Galicia's cathedral. The northern city has been attracting pilgrims for centuries, and exploring even a small part of this path is truly fulfilling. It would be worthwhile to include a visit to the renowned church during your day trip, as it offers a glimpse into this rich Spanish tradition. The oldest route of Camino de Santiago stretches from Oviedo to Santiago de Compostela. It typically takes about 2 weeks to complete the 300-kilometer hike through the northern region of Spain. Number 5. Cuenca. Cuenca, a highly sought-after destination in the Castilla-La Mancha region of Spain, is situated in a precarious location where two steep river gorges converge. Due to its strategic location, this place has been a battleground for various forces throughout history. It has been ruled by both Muslims and Christians, and even Napoleon made his presence felt here in the early 1800s. The city's beautiful buildings are adorned with warm hues, vibrant colors, and bold designs that can be found in its many modern art galleries and museums. This delightful city is especially famous for its casas colgadas, or hanging houses, that are constructed on the edge of the cliff top where Cuenca is located. In addition to their impressive engineering, these remarkable structures offer great photo opportunities and are best seen from the bridge of San Pablo. Number 6. Granada. Granada, nestled at the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountains, enchants visitors with its breathtaking landscapes, fascinating Moorish heritage, and timeless allure. The Alhambra Palace is truly a remarkable sight, recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Its breathtaking architecture, intricate tilework, and beautiful gardens make it the pride of Granada. The Alhambra serves as a testament to the rich history of the region and offers a glimpse into the grandeur and sophistication of Al-Andalus. Visitors are welcome to discover the charming Albayzin district. With its winding streets, hidden gardens, and traditional houses, they can also enjoy breathtaking views of the city from the palace grounds. Granada is a city that should not be missed by tourists who want to immerse themselves in the authentic Spanish culture. With its vibrant street life, deep-rooted cultural traditions, and stunning natural beauty, Granada offers an unforgettable experience. Number 7. Ibiza. Ibiza, one of the Balearic Islands, is situated off the coast of Spain and is surrounded by beautiful Mediterranean Sea. Although its vibrant nightlife and summer club scene are well known and draw in internationally acclaimed DJs, the island has many other facets to explore. Ibiza is known for its rocky and rugged landscape, with stunning bays and beaches. The warm, sunny, and dry climate of the island makes it an ideal destination for a beach holiday. Ibiza Town, the largest city on the island, features a stunning walled old town situated on a hill with breathtaking views of the sea. Although there are peaceful countryside getaways and tranquil coastal towns on the island, Ibiza is primarily known for its vibrant party atmosphere and electrifying electronic dance music. During the summer, the bustling clubs remain open all night long, allowing partygoers to dance until the break of dawn when the sun finally emerges over the sea. Number 8. Ronda. Ronda is situated on the edge of the El Tajo Gorge, offering stunning views of the surrounding valleys and hills. Puente Nuevo, the city's main landmark, was constructed in 1793 and stretches across the gorge. The bridge is a remarkable structure that links the modern El Mercadillo area with El Ciudad, the historic Moorish quarter. El Ciudad is known for its stunning churches, grand palaces, and beautiful gardens. The town is widely recognized as the birthplace of modern Spanish bullfighting. Its neoclassical ring stands as the oldest of its kind in the country. Ronda's rich cultural heritage, historical significance, and breathtaking clifftop location have always attracted writers and poets to its ancient streets. Ernest Hemingway, James Joyce, and Rainer Maria Rilke were among the notable visitors to Ronda, but nowadays, the town is a major tourist attraction and is considered one of the most charming destinations in Andalusia. Number 9. San Sebastian. San Sebastian is a paradise for those who love food, beaches, and cultural experiences. San Sebastian is famous for its stunning beaches, including the renowned La Concha Beach. It offers tourists a perfect blend of sophistication and natural splendor. The city's old town is a culinary paradise, filled with charming plazas and narrow cobblestone streets. Here you'll find a plethora of pink sauce taverns, offering a delectable array of Basque cuisine. Surfers and sunbathers are attracted to the lively waterfront promenade of La Zariola to soak in the sun-drenched vistas of the Bay of Biscay. San Sebastian is a true gem of the Basque country, known for its incredible gastronomy, vibrant cultural scene, and breathtaking surroundings. It offers travelers an unforgettable trip along Spain's northern coast. Number 10. Cordoba. Cordoba is known for its small-town charm, but it also offers a wide range of historic and cultural attractions that you would typically find in a bustling metropolis. The historic quarter of Cordoba is a maze of tiny medieval streets, plazas, and whitewashed courtyards, all centered around the star attraction, the Mezquita. It is one of the oldest towns in Europe. The Mezquita was originally constructed as a mosque and has since been transformed into a stunning cathedral, while still preserving its original architectural beauty. The forest of columns, adorned with red and white striped arches in Islamic style, stands as a testament to the grandeur and significance that Cordoba once held during medieval times. The Mezquita's surroundings include a lovely orange grove, providing a serene spot for relaxation. In the month of May, Cordoba comes alive with 3 vibrant festivals: the May Crosses Festival, the Patios Festival, and the Cordoba Fair. During these events, the city's plazas and courtyards come alive with vibrant decorations, lively contests, captivating flamenco dancing, and a delightful array of traditional food and drink that fill the streets. Did we mention your favorite place? Did we miss out on any gems? Head to the comments section and drop your comments. Make sure to give this video a like and click on the next video on your screen.